Singapore, we have come a long way to where we are now in terms of our water story.
Every company, be it an SME to a large multinational, we all have opportunities to preserve and conserve water.
If we don't seriously have regard for those precious resources that we have got, then I don't think we're doing a good job.
When we look at water as our natural heritage, it is really an integral part of preservation of our environment. We started off as the only school in Singapore to conduct water testing for stakeholders. Apart from infusing the theme of sustainability of water in our curriculum, we have adopted the Sengkang floating wetland as our outdoor classroom.
As a water ambassador, I am able to promote awareness on water sustainability and water conservation to my family and friends, and even extend it to the general public.
Our students go around to audit the level of water consumption school-wide, and we're very pleased that our water consumption level has come down drastically. We believe that whatever we do, we need to benefit the community. Our students have been visiting the HDB blocks in our neighborhood to distribute flyers on water-saving methods. And going forward, we want to make environment education our next school niche, another peak of our school's excellence.
In the semiconductor manufacturing, water is the main base that is used for cleaning the semiconductor wafers. But here, it's a part of the company's strategy to conserve and preserve water. While we consume this 130,000 cubic meters of water, we are recycling as on today 68%. So we are the first wafer fab in the entire Singapore to use the new water 100%. We set up our own plant to reclaim the water. Now this wastewater, it is again purified and put back into the DI water system. As a part of our community programs, we have also adapted the Lorong Halus wetland area. Our SSMC employees are the volunteers. When they share with the community at large, awareness starts coming in. So when they are managing a bigger project, they find the ways and means to reduce and recycle the water. I want to recycle 100% of the water. If we can do that, then we are even more responsible for the environment.
Philips takes its sustainability and environmental responsibilities very seriously, and Lumileds is an organisation we're manufacturing LEDs. In order to make those LEDs, we actually have to consume a lot of water. So the facilities team got together with the PUB, and we're really asking the question, is there something smarter that we can do? And in those discussions, the option and the idea to actually invest in a water reclaim system would actually make a lot of sense. So the real challenge was, how do we implement a new reclaim system in a building that's 20 years old, whilst trying to put in a state-of-the-art reclaim system, and then of course we had to turn the system on whilst we were still going live. So that presented a lot of logistical challenges. Overall, we're looking at a 45% reduction in the consumption of water. It's good for the environment, it's good for the precious resources we have here in Singapore, and it's good for business.
I believe that we should do what we can with what we have where we are. Environmental education is also a good platform for students to learn the right values, like care for the environment and care for one another. WaterTap stands for Training, Appreciation and Participation. In year 2009, I initiated the WaterTap workshop. It's actually a good platform for my students to outreach to other schools and get them on board this water journey as well. By adopting Kallang River and Bishan Park, we are giving them a third option for an outreach project.
Ms Lim has taught me a lot about the environment. She pasted a note on the e-board that says, "Stop the drip to save the drop." I think it really hits me that one day it will just run out and our future generations will be very difficult.
At the beginning, the students were asking us, why are we doing a cleanup? Why not we just stay in class and learn more about the resources? I think it's very heartening to see that students nowadays, they have this mindset that we should not be part of the problem but be part of the solution.